Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about Hamiltonian. Firstly we discuss Lagrangian. Then we are moving towards a modern approach of classical mechanics, that is Hamiltonian. So today our topic is Hamiltonian. Hamiltonian is more advanced approach of classical mechanics, or you can say mechanics. Hamiltonian से हम we can move towards classical mechanics also, as well as for quantum mechanics also. So this is your general approach. This is basically a general approach, a general theory, general approach, general formulation to move towards both sides. So Hamiltonian is more advanced topic, and Hamiltonian is a function of generalized coordinate, generalized momentum and time. Means momentum is taken here, means mass is under consideration here. In the Lagrangian it was generalized coordinate, generalized velocity and time. No consideration of mass was there. But in the Hamiltonian, quite modern it is, that's why mass is also here. Lagrangian never tell you about mass distribution or energy distribution of the system. Means if we provide extra energy to the system, then how your system will work, how this energy will affect your system. The conservation of energy is not discussed in the case of Lagrangian. So Hamiltonian is quite more beneficial, and Hamiltonian equation of motions are also asked in the exam. And for equation of motion, some relations like Hamiltonian curly h upon curly q is your minus of v q. Second relation, curly h upon curly p is your q dot. These relations you will going to use for getting equation of motion. And if your curly L upon curly T is 0, this implies curly H upon curly T is also 0. Means if curly H upon curly T is 0, then Hamiltonian is your T plus V. Or in other words, you can say that Hamiltonian is representing conservation of energy here. If curly h upon curly t is 0, then energy of system is conserved. This is an important point. And one more last important point is relation between Hamiltonian and Lagrangian. You never write Hamiltonian directly for any system. Firstly you have to go via Lagrangian, then you can convert your Lagrangian into Hamiltonian. So many times these questions asked in the exams, that given Lagrangian and you are going to find Hamiltonian for the system. Okay, so the relation is H Hamiltonian summation QPQ dot minus L. We will discuss many problems on this relation, and this is an important relation for finding if Lagrangian is given, you can find Hamiltonian, or if Hamiltonian is given, you can find Lagrangian in suitable coordinate. Okay, so this was about Lagrangian, and if you really learned something, then please tell in comment box. Thank you everyone.